Ta-da! We arrived at Color Canyon, and that's why I'm so colorful today. Actually, the art exhibition goes all the way to here, and these tent-like nets will be lit up at night and create a really amazing landscape. And by day, you can have a seat here and enjoy them. Pretty. So now we can see this installation is widespread, and it's waving surfaces of water ever connecting mountain tops. How many colors exist within these scenes? You see, they are supposed to be mountain tops and water. Probably the red are the mountains, and then the blue are the waters. And maybe the designer is here. Maybe so actually it's very simple. You see, it's just some colorful plastic type of material. But at night, when you add light and darkness, it really creates a fairy tale landscape. So we totally have to come back to see this later on. We found it. The selfie angle is here. Really wonderful color canyon. Happy that I'm totally color matching the art exhibition here. So let's try taking some photos. My love for color. Have the chance to wear my goods from my travels. And I don't know about you, but me, I really love color. Love seeing color and, you know, wearing wearing colorful stuff, because it brings so much joy to life. Like, you know, there are those people who are only wearing black, and yes, I'm not one of them. Pretty, and there are these wild roses here, and even such benches where you can have a sit. So let's come again when it's going to be lit up in few hours. Here we are back during nighttime. Mountains and rivers is the symbolism. It also kind of looks like a refugee camp, if you ask me. Here in the heart of the city, with the skyscrapers behind. And then you can come here and create your own art by trying to find the best photo angle, the nicest perspective. And then we have these autumn leaves here, which are for sure not part of the exhibition. However, see how the light from underneath is projected on them. So you can actually use these leaves as a film projection material, as a canvas. Really nice. But okay, nobody thought of this. This is just set here in the park to make the park look more autumn colorish.